It's the most wonderful time of the year. Welcome back, friends. I have a special video for you today. Yet again, another wondrous occasion. I have another shipment from New Life Tropicals, and I want to share this shipment with you. So sit back, relax. I am about to show you what I just received in the mail today. And I've been waiting for quite some time, but it's quite some time that hopefully we won't need sad faces anymore. We will not need a sad face. This will be a glorious occasion. I have box in my hand, long box from Bangkok, Thailand. Hold on, let me just hold on to it for a little bit. I just want to hold on for a little bit, and can we just have a moment of silence before I open up this great treasure that will show me so many wonders and colors of green, and hopefully some other colors. We're going to open this new treasure from Thailand, from the great land of Thailand. I remember on Street Fighter, I didn't really know about so many countries until Street Fighter. I remember there was one guy, I think Zangief? No, it's not Zangief. There was a guy, was he from, who am I thinking? He had a patch over his eye. He was tall. I think he was a new character. He was like a secondary character that came out. And he was like, I think he did like the, what do you call that? That style of fighting, that kickboxing. So he was a kickboxer. I forgot his name. Alexa, who was the kickboxer on Street Fighter that was on Street Fighter?
I don't know that.
Wait, hold on. Alexa, who was the kickboxer that was from Thailand on Street Fighter?
Sorry, I don't know that one.
Alexa, was there a kickboxer from Thailand on Street Fighter?
Here's something I found on the web. According to shoryuken.com, when Street Fighter II was first originally released, there were 4 boss characters: the boxer from the US, the Spaniard with the mask and claw, the Muay Thai kickboxer, and the eagle warrior with the hat from Thailand. Did that answer your question?
Yeah. Yeah, it definitely did. There was somebody from Thailand. Yeah, you got it. Thank you very much. We are coming closer to the wondrous occasion. I see the language. Actually, this looks like a stock market page. We are opening said treasure. Oof. I want to do it clean now. I want to put my scissors away because I don't want to hurt nobody. Ooh. Oh. There's only two. But they're big twos. Hopefully. I'm going to have to check the box to see if there's any. Alright. Here we go. 2. I shall put one down, and I look at the name. I see the name. I take off the rubber band that holds it.
Joe Dirt.
It puts the lotion on. You have no idea what kind of hell I can bring you!
I take off the other rubber band. Oh, there's like Trump supporters on here. God bless them. They talking about, oh, they got Biden on their newspaper. Pretty cool. I wonder what they're saying. It's always good. I should get, anybody get newspapers from other, well, I guess you could anywhere. You can get newspapers probably from anywhere in the world and get them delivered. Just like I can get these plants delivered. I'm gonna start. They use technique of shredded paper around to keep the leaves tight. So I like their technique. If you see what I'm saying, I'm trying to say is basically they put the leaves up there and they put shredded paper to protect the leaves as added protection. And I am satisfied already. What I have in front of me is a white wizard philodendron. In my possession. I have a white knight philodendron, but I don't have a white wizard philodendron with whiteness and thickness. This is different though. The white knight philodendron, this is good variegation too. They gave me some good variegation. I don't know if we can get that. I can see it. I know it's there. I don't know if you see it. Hopefully you see the white. But it's just shooting right up this one leaf that is actually going to be the runner. All right, you see how it's going to start forming? Let me get that camera off that guy. That guy that's in the, you see the runner right there. So it's going to, they showed me a great looking plant. Great looking specimen. I'm gonna put that on ice for right now. Away from the window, because it's starting to hit me a little darker. It's starting to hit my face. I'm in front of my bay window. Time is a little bit after 4:30. I'm about to unveil number 2. Looking at what it is. Not going to tell you right now what it is, but I know what I already ordered. And I want to say this one did not take as long because of COVID. I have been looking at their site ever since I've made this purchase. And I want to say I've been looking at their site like a madman. Like just every 15 minutes, boom, what they got scrolling through the philodendrons. I want Hoyas. I really want Hoyas, but right now I have a big thing on philodendrons. But I just been zapping to their philodendron page, mostly everybody's. Who else is I've been looking at? I cannot get anything from. I just decided to put what is that place called in Florida? I can't even think now. I'm so happy. It's the big, everybody buys from them. NFC Tropicals. I think it's NFC Tropicals. NSC Tropicals and Eden CPs. A lot of people that I've bought from before. I haven't got from NFC. I think it's NFC. Edith, like she's the big grower. I have not gotten anything from them, but I think I'm gonna just punch down and try to go for an auction because I cannot make. I get emails, but I haven't gotten any emails when they release plants. So every time I look there, it's really nothing that I really would want, even if they had something. So I don't want to just buy a plant that I don't want. But yeah, they haven't had anything. New Life Tropicals. I was lucky enough to score this. Now I'm on, that because that philodendron, that white knight, because I said, whoa, there's 2 white knights. I already gave this one up, but yeah, I said, let me get 2 of them things. So I got 2. Oh, I love the technique, man. I'm gonna have to copy this technique when I ship out. I call it the New Life technique, where you protect the leaves under the wrapping paper, under the pad paper. I like that style. Who cares if it's getting on the floor? We can clean it right up. I'm gonna just gently. Oh, this one has real nice variegation. Yes. Yeah. Nice variegation. You see that whiteness, that whiteness on there. We got some new. Looks like we should get some new stuff right there. Beautiful plant.
Oh, I forgot you were recording. Oh my god, so funny. Whoa.
Hurry up, little girl, get up. Hurry up. Go. Now. So, I don't know what else to say. I got 2 white knight philodendrons. No, not white knights. They're white wizards. The sun just got like super harsh, so I'm gonna have to edit that. And the camera just came out like a cloud cover. It must be shining on me and my glorious 2 plants. My 2 new white wizards. I don't have a white knight. It's a white wizard. I do have a white knight philodendron. Now I have a white wizard philodendron. I will be showing you the difference in the 2. They look. The white knight has like darker foliage, real darker. This one has like a lighter green, as you can see here. I actually just got one of my white knights that came to me not reverted, or not variegated. I didn't have any of this on there, because this is what I paid for, and I am so happy that they got me some, just a full white, some white variegation, and then I have like splotches, which is cool. I'm in love with this. They look very healthy. They look like they were grown in sphagnum peat moss. That's what I do. I do sphagnum peat moss, kind of like semi-hydro. I totally understand how they're growing it. So these 2 plants will be at home. I'm going to do some. I'm going to be doing some quarantining for about 2 weeks, just to make sure we had no travelers. It already looks like they were sprayed with some type of insecticide, so I don't think anything's going to be traveling. That's the good thing about getting things from the U.S. Once they pass inspection and everything like that, they are definitely sprayed, because they don't want those pests traveling from another country over here. So that's why they don't want soil. The good folks at the USDA, they don't want soil or anything that would allow any visual pests that may be on the plant to move from one country to another. May destroy the ecosystem. So I'm happy I kind of like getting plants that are not, from the U.S., because USDA inspects them, they spray them, they make sure there's nothing there. So that's kind of a good thing about getting these, plants from other countries, imports. And it also feels good too. It's pretty cool. I am going to be loving on these 2 plants for a little bit. I don't know what else to say. But thank you, New Life Tropicals, once again. If you care to send me your direct messages when you're getting the strawberry shake, I would appreciate you getting at me and telling me, emailing me when you get it. I will definitely be a customer. and everybody else that my viewers. I actually had a highlight today. I was actually monetized now, so I'm waiting for AdSense to approve my I should already did an AdSense, but I'm just learning this stuff. I'm just playing around, but I did an AdSense just to see. I mean, I don't want to. The money thing's cool, but I just like sharing information about plants. It's just my passion, so it's just a perk. I see a lot of people getting paid for what they do. All other big YouTubers, so it's pretty cool to get paid for it too, and loving what you do at the same time, and not being a drag and a burden, and not getting stressed out about this stuff. But yeah, I have I'm now monetized. I got everything. I just got to get everything up to speed, or approved for AdSense, and then we're ready to go. So you might see some commercials. So if you do see some commercials, just let them play. They will put money in my pocket, and you will be supporting my channel also as well. And should have told people to stay to the end too of this, because I'm going to be doing a giveaway. And it's going to be something nice. I just got 2 new plants. I'm not going to be giving these away because I just got them. I can't give them away because I've been waiting for them for so long. So I'm going to hold on to them as long as I can, and just see how the variegation goes and see how they climb up to whatever I'm going to have them climb up to. But yeah, I'm going to be giving away something. I don't know what it is, so stay tuned for that. Matter of fact, what should I give away? Let's do a I'm gonna post some stuff on Instagram and say, what should I give away, and then we'll do another giveaway. I love giving away plants. I think the first plant I ever gave away was Thai Constellation. That was like the first thing. Like, I love to be able to give, and just not like small price plants. I like giving away bigger price plants, because I'm sure people like it. Just makes I'm sure somebody getting that, giving that feeling to somebody is like a never ending high. And also give away a pink princess. So I don't know. I have some Paraiso Verde cuttings. I have some Stringer Heart cuttings. We'll go through and see what's going on, and I'll get back to you guys about the giveaway and what that will entitle and what that will mean as far as for giveaways. But other than that, welcome to the crew, White Wizards. I have 2 White Wizards. I'm about to call one Gandalf and one Gandalf. It's like, I don't know. But anyway, let me stop playing around. I'm just so happy that I made this decision. That's all I got for you guys. Hopefully I didn't edit this too much, because the sun is super harsh. It's like